I have had at least the opportunity of not being told by a major OTA, all your bookings have been cancelled and refunded in full. I have had the option of at least approaching and speaking and communicating with my guests and saying to them, hey, look, we're really dreadfully sorry about this situation. You're struggling, we're struggling. Can we change your dates free? What can we do for you? And bar 1 out of 8 cancellations over the next 10 weeks, we've changed the dates for everyone, which is great. But and that's the thing, for all of us who have the control over those bookings, at least we have that option available to us. So, but yeah, it's undoubtedly, a tricky time for us.
You hit the nail on the head right there, is that when you do have a direct booking, when somebody comes and books via you, it's on your terms, it's on your cancellation policy. You have got the guest's full data, email, etc. And yeah, it is more in your control. For everybody that is watching this, you will have suffered in some way, shape or form from this, and you will remember the date that I remember waking up and there was a notification on my phone. It was from Airbnb, and they sent out that millions and millions upon people saying that, you could book free of charge, and they literally pre-wrote a template that people could send to whoever that they had made a booking with. And without giving any warning, so many people have suffered from it. And this is why we can talk about it. We go conferences, events, all about it, but you've got to actually start to make that process into getting a direct booking.